Hello everybody, welcome back. So, I'm so excited kay nag-text na ko o email sa nila nga naambot na daw ang ako ang parcel. So, let's go atong tanawon. Nana daw sa gawas. So, nag-send sila picture kung asa nila gibutang. Then, I'm really excited to open sa box kay sobra na gyud ako ng cravings. I'm so excited to eat something, ha? OA. Pero let's go. Tara, I'm so excited! Tara, look. Super Butcher! So, naata! I'm so excited! So, tara, let's go. Ato ning i-open. Wait. Oy! Okay, delivery. Okay, let's check. Everything is good. So, that's my name. Oy! Oy! There's a letter. Thank you. See? Thank you for choosing Super Butcher for your online meat shopping needs. We are truly grateful for your support and trust in our services. It is customers like you who inspire us to continually strive for excellence. So nice one. I will keep this letter. Taas pa, kapoy na magbasa. Kaya mo, let's go na ta. Oh, receipt. Okay. So, I ordered honeycomb tripe, organic beef liver, or organic beef heart. So, let's see. Oh, na-discount. Abantog tayo. Okay, let's go. The receipt. Hala, grabe ka na. Isan awa. Ano si tawag ani? Foil? Oh, amazing. Para pang bugnaw. I need to use this knife. Excited man kay ko. Bubble wrap. Naka-frozen pa. Ako, oy. Hello. Oh, this is heart sa beef. And we also have liver. Is it liver? Oh, liver sa beef. And the most exciting part is frozen steel. Mo ni siya. Beef honeycomb tripe. And ipadalan ko nila og ice apple. So, we're really excited for this kay magpaklay man gud me. So, ang magluto ni si Maiden, ako lang i-prepare daan. Tara, Maiden, say hi. Pero na pa na siya date. Na friend date. Okay. So, ako na siyang i-slice daan. Then, ako i-prepare latan and everything para lutoon rin ni Maiden. Thank you. Bye!